138 Student Living Limited, a real estate development company, is the latest addition to the Jamaica Stock Exchange's main market. It's the 72nd to be listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Deputy General Manager of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Robin Levy, summarizes what occurred before the listing on Thursday, December 18, 2014, of 138 Student Living and how the market can help the Jamaican economy.
They opened their offer near the end of November, offering both ordinary and preference shares, and it was fully subscribed. Selling at $4 and $5 respectively. 100% of the public offering was taken up by the close the following week on December 4th. So in total they raised $535.6 million, $500 million Jamaican dollars, in what can only be described as a very tight Jamaican economy. This, I believe, is an ample demonstration of the confidence that Jamaicans have in the potential and future of 138 Student Living Jamaica. A very innovative concept, and it's concepts like these that are needed in today's Jamaica. Too often we find persons looking to finance their businesses still running to the tried and true practice of borrowing all their money from whoever. And we know debt has its place on a balance sheet. Let us be very clear about that. We do know, however, that the number one reason for the failure of companies in Jamaica is a lack of capital, specifically a lack of equity. And it is for this reason that we continue to fight at the Jamaica Stock Exchange to lobby the government to turn over every rock we can so that we can get this malfunctioning company, which is called the economy of Jamaica, back on track and back working. We consider ourselves to be the engine that is somewhat underutilized and able to drive this economy forward. And it is within this concept that we welcome 138 Student Living Jamaica as an example of what innovative thinking, a unique concept with sound management team behind it, on a platform like the Jamaica Stock Exchange can do.
Director of 138 Student Living, Kingsley Thomas, tells us more about this innovative concept.
138 Student Living Limited is a recently formed real estate development company which is currently undertaking initially the development of 1,584 residences at the Mona campus of the University of the West Indies under a concession agreement. Construction of the first 576 rooms, which are scheduled for delivery in July of next year, is well advanced. Many thanks to a highly qualified team of professionals led by architect and fellow director, Mr. Douglas Tibel, and which team includes Mr. Delbert Wallace, Mr. Barry Brown, Mr. Kevin Donaldson, and Mr. Dean Bowers.
Thomas, a big thinker, a mega projects man, tells why Mona for this project.
We have always been confident that this area of real estate landscape in Jamaica provides an attractive investment opportunity. And the results of the initial public offering, IPO, of shares, both ordinary and preference, which was, as Robin said, which were fully subscribed, bears testimony to this belief. We would not have reached this milestone occasion without the hard work, determination, and commitment of several entities and individuals. Firstly, your time, Carl. Our lead broker to the company in the invitation, Jamaica Money Market Brokers, JMB Securities Limited, and in particular, Mr. Carl Townsend. That's how it's pronounced, right? Thanks. Who showed the entire process, remained confident and controlling. He told us we mustn't speak to anybody, he'll do all the speaking. Certain in the knowledge that the IPO would be successful. Many thanks, Carl. To Jamaica Money, JMB Limited, the underwriters, whose fees for underwriting were an unrequited but deserved broughter. Because it was subscribed, so you didn't have to underwrite, but you still collected the fees card. The special counsel in the invitation, Harrison, and Mark Harrison in particular, Mark is absent, the financial advisors to 138 SLL PricewaterhouseCoopers, one word, Tax and Advisory Services Limited. Most importantly, however, to this signal achievement are the scores of entities, companies, pension funds, which logged on to the vision and accepted our invitation to become a part of this exciting and unique business venture. To you, we commit to aggressively prospect and pursue opportunities which will add value to the investments you have made in our company.
Brave promise, Kingsley, but knowing you, I am assured you will do your best to ensure this promise is kept. And that's your wealth for this week. I'm Owen James.